Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I do apologise again. Skin is absolutely furious with me, but it's fine, we're still going. But for today's look, we are going to be recreating this. And as you can tell, the video quality is absolutely shocking. So we're going to recreate it and make sure it's on level with the rest of our looks. So let's go with Try-Arachnophobia. So taking some Vaseline or petroleum jelly, we are going to just cover this eyebrow here, just so when we put the skin adhesive on, it won't take off any of your eyebrow and it'll keep all the hairs protected. And now we are going to fill the other eyebrow in. So my usual products, the 17 brows that are my DFMA palette. Let's colour this brown in. So now the eyebrows are complete difference. We're going to take some Snazaroo black face paint and colour in this eye, as this is where the Try-Phobia piece is going to sit. So you want it looking as deep as possible, so the black will deepen the holes that you've already created. So now the black is on. Don't worry if when you put this piece on you do have gaps, because we'll just take another brush and go inside the holes just to get the dark spots. Don't worry. So now the black is done, we're going to take our pieces that I've made. This is pre-made obviously because it is a recreation of the look I've done in the past. So what I used on this is hot glue to just make circles, and then as you can see, so yeah, that's then going to go sit over your eye, so it's like caged off so you can't see your eye, but it does make a good effect. So you're going to want to take some spirit gum. Please do be careful when using spirit gum, liquid latex or any skin adhesive around the eye area. So I've got Ben Nye spirit gum, so taking this, once again struggle to open as it's glue and it's nice and sticky around the top. We just want to put it around the edges. Don't worry if it doesn't measure up as well. You can also, when you put your piece on, put some more spirit gum underneath, like go tacky, and then just stick it down, which is probably what we'll have to do here. But just tap, 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 tap. And can you see the fibres coming off? That's when you know it's getting very tacky and it will stick. So find the position you want. Once you're happy, press that down. Make sure it sticks. And like I said, if it doesn't, which it isn't doing in some places for me, then take your spirit gum and put it on the places where it's not wanting to stick. So now your piece is in place, you're going to want to take your scar wax or special effects wax, and you are going to want to blend out the edges, because obviously you can see there's harsh edges. There is some wax from last time I did this look, and you're just going to put want to put wax all the way around the edges, just so we can blend it seamlessly into the head and it looks like the Try-Phobia is actually on your face. So I'm going to be putting some more spirit gum just around the edges so the wax sticks a little bit better, and it will help us out when it comes to blending. guys, so now all the wax is in place, we're going to take some more petroleum jelly slash Vaseline, whichever one you have, like I said, just to blend out the edges instead of making it look so harsh. So now the edges are blended out and a lot smoother into the skin, you're going to want to take some powder, it can be any form of powder, baby powder, just to set it, just so it doesn't like crack and come away. So now the powder is done. If you are wanting any more Try-Phobia sections on your face or your chest, just repeat the sections and put them wherever you want. So that's what we're going to do now, and we're going to stick a piece here on the chest. And there we go, we now have a piece on the chest area just here. It's a little bit dark underneath, but it's fine, don't worry about that. Now we're going to just put a few more holes with the end of a paintbrush or a sculpting tool, just to blend a little bit more outwards. So the best way to do this without pulling most of the scar wax off, like I said, sculpting tool, put Vaseline on the end so it doesn't pull everything away. Now you've created all the holes, you want to take a small little brush and your black snazzy face paint and just go in the little holes just to create the depth. Also paint in any holes from your piece that you can see that don't have black underneath. So now your holes are created, you're going to take Mirror and Bruise palette and use the shade Bloody Rose and just stipple around just so it makes it look a little bit more red and infected and the area is a little bit more swollen than it should be. So there we go, a little bit more red on the outsides. Now still using the Mirror and Bruise palette, we're going to use the yellow and the green, just like I have on the pre-coloured Try-Phobia sections, just to blend out on the wax so it doesn't look too obviously mismatchy. So your Try-Phobia sections are now complete. We're now going to do this eye and just cover any spots and blemishes that I do have at the moment. Right, we'll do that first. So now I've just concealed, don't matter if it's not perfect and it's a little bit rushed, I have now concealed my spots and blemishes. We are now going to take a spider. This has been pre-made obviously because of the old video, so what I used is a cotton pad, which is the base part here, which will be going over your eye like this, and the rest is just cotton buds, hot glue and a bit of black acrylic paint just to colour it in to make it obviously black like a spider. So let's stick this little fella down. We'll need to take them out though. Gosh. I do apologise, I look like I have no hair, it's just very fine and ridiculously long at the moment. So I am going to be sticking my little friend down with spirit gum. Like I said before, please, 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 please be aware where you are putting spirit gum or any skin adhesive around eye areas, as it can cause a lot of problems. And don't stick it to your eyelashes or any hair, just be careful, okay? guys, so now he is in place. There is some legs hanging out, which I kind of like the effect of, and there is a bit of latex on the end of some, but it's fine as I can't stick them down because this time it's in one piece. So now you're going to want to take your black Snazaroo face paint again and just create lines coming out of where the socket is so it doesn't look too bum. So now the black is complete. I do apologise if it does look quite bad. I can't really see, I've only got one eye, and like I've said before, I do wear glasses, so, but it looks pretty cool at the moment. It's sat in a nice little place. So now taking your pack of spiders, these can be big spiders and little spiders. You're going to want to stick them around, coming out of the holes, up his neck, anywhere you want, just to complete the look. You don't have to, but I like to. And now just to sort the hair. So, and there we have it. Just a pre-warning guys, don't do this makeup on a really humid day because the chest piece is sliding down because it's so hot and sticky, and with the ring light and every other light, it's not fun. But here we are, Try-Arachnophobia part 2. So if you do like what you see guys, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for videos and photos. Thank you!